YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And it's coming from my good friends over at EKSA. This is the RGB. I can't even pronounce that right now. Ergonomic gaming mouse. EM600. DPI. 512,000. And a bunch of good stuff. So that's what it looks like when you get it. Here's the back. Ooh. This is nice. Alright, cut on top. So definitely check them out for all your gaming accessories. All your esports or just a casual gamer. They got a lot of cool stuff from mice to gaming headsets. All your gaming needs. All you gotta do is click that link down below. Add it to your cart and check out. And like I said, see what other goodies they have also. So just besides the mouse, if you need like a gaming mat or a keyboard. So they got it all. Oh, this is a nice one. You got the manual. EKSA. We're not going to need the manual. It's pretty simple to set up. Here's a braided cord. Really nice and long. Got this nice protection on it. Got the silver, purple, and now, ooh. This is nice, stylish. Got the graphite right there. Or the carbon fiber. Right there. Lens, side. Feels good. You got the mouse right here. We'll hop over to the computer in a second. All you gotta do is pop that out. And then always put it back in. Oh, these are really nice to have. I mean, cord or wireless, I think for gaming, definitely probably cord. So I don't have to worry about batteries dying or whatnot. Everyday use also. Alright, computer time. Alright guys, here it is. Got a nice RGB glow around here. You can see it right there. I don't need to turn off the lights. Just make sure you peel off the slide so you can slide it better. It moves. You can see it right there. It is a mover. And you can change. Something like that. Oh, that lights up too. Okay. That's really cool. So like I said, if you're in the market right now, now's the time to buy. Got a lot of sales going on, and all you gotta do is click that link. If it's their website, I'll leave their website, but I'm pretty sure this is on Amazon, so all I gotta do is click that link down below. Either or, it will be listed down below. But definitely check them out. Really cool gaming mouse, and like I said, other accessories they do have, so definitely a nice one to get. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good day. Take it easy out there.